So some of the ways that you might be able to save money with dental implants is choose a provider that's able to provide all the service in office. By doing so, you're not getting multiple doctors involved, and in the long run, you'll have a better success and pay less for it. Another way that you can look to save money is by doing the treatment that's necessary. So I often find patients come in for consultations expecting to remove all their teeth and put a mouthful of implants in. And I see that over and over because they've been to different offices or clinics that's essentially all they do. So every person that comes in the office, that's how they treat it. And it's a $50,000 treatment plan. And so I find that a lot of those patients, we can accomplish what they need to for less money, doing less invasive procedures, and give them a smile and bite that will hold up and last for them for long term at a significant savings. I would say the last way to save money that I think is important is always be focused on the quality of the care and the treatment that's necessary. My focus is always on long-term success because that's where the real value is. You may pay more today for whatever treatment it is, but if it holds up, it lasts, and it's successful long-term, then that's always going to be your best value. So if you're in need of dental implants, I invite you to call our office. It's Rod Gleave DMD. Set up a consultation with me. We can review your needs, your concerns, and answer all your questions for a complimentary consultation.